If you don't want to miss any Bollywood gossip, press the bell icon to get instant update from us.
As wonderful as it may sound, Hum Saath Saath Hain is unfortunately not true in reality. There are some stars who don't even see eye to eye with their families, and the scenario is more like Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. Let's take a look. Kangana Ranaut. The Queen Kangana Ranaut, who is known for her fierce and bold attitude, has revealed on multiple occasions that she did not have the happiest of childhoods. She had issues with her family, especially her father, whom Kangana once had threatened to slap if he slapped her ever again. She even went to the extent of saying that her parents always wanted a male child and she was treated like an unwanted kid while growing up. Rekha. The Khoobsurat actress Rekha, who achieved superstardom in her professional life, shockingly had a very tough childhood. Not many know that Rekha was an illegitimate child of the South star Gemini Ganesan, who had refused to acknowledge Rekha as his own daughter. She even mentioned a heartbreaking incident when Gemini Ganesan came to pick his kids from school and did not even look at Rekha, who was standing right next to them. Rekha has also revealed that it was only much later that her father Gemini Ganesan came to reconcile with the actress, but she refused for the longest time. Amisha Patel. After Kaho Na Pyar Hai was a mega hit, the actress Amisha Patel got directors lined up at her door. But as this door opened for her, the other shut. The actress had to leave her own house after an ugly fight with her parents. And that's not it. Amisha had also sued her own father for mishandling her earnings of Rs 12 crore. Malika Sherawat. Actress Malika Sherawat belongs from a conservative Jat family of a small village in Haryana. And after Malika entered the film fraternity and made some bold decisions, she was boycotted by her family. In fact, her father once said that he had disowned her. Asha Bhosle and Lata Mangeshkar. There has always been a great rivalry between the two legendary sister singers, Asha Bhosle and Lata Mangeshkar. But after Asha decided against the wishes of her sister to marry Ganpat Rao Bhosle, the relation between the two worsened. If one thing is clear, it's that showbiz is hard on families. Celebrities are people too, and they don't have picture-perfect life. And what matters is at least some of them work through these hardships.